how to fix Rediffmail login issues. So if you want to fix your Rediffmail login issues, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with the top and go with your control center. Once you're on your control center, you need to just go and check your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Once you have a stable internet connection, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then we might need to delete our browser cache history. You're going to go in the top right corner, and then you may have an option of delete browsing data, which is right here. Tap on it, and then go with the time range and select the time range. Like for example, I'll go with last 24 hours and then go with the browsing data selected, go with delete data, which will be in the bottom, and it will be deleted. And now your problem might be fixed. Just go and take a new tab and then try searching Rediffmail, login, and log into your account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.